Governor of Adamawa State, Amadu Umaru Fintiri, has assured residents of the state of more dividends of democracy in the second tenure. The governor, who played host to media practitioners to mark his administration's 100 days in office, scored himself high with a promise to implement more infrastructural development. Correspondent to Yola reports.
In the last 4 years of the Fintiri administration, Adamawa State has witnessed development of infrastructure across the 21 local government areas of the state. The state now has an impressive road network and flyover bridges, but yet the state is still lacking in infrastructural development. Residents of the federal house in Bajabure have set an agenda for Mr. Fintiri, urging him to rehabilitate roads linking communities to the state capital, some of which have been neglected for up to 30 years. Others want him to do more on security.
Within these 30 years, let's say from 1998 up to date, nothing been done in this road. They are all now collapsed and they are totally not good. But we wish His Excellency in his own favor and how he is tried by working, that is rehabilitating some roads in the state, especially in the residential areas of the state capital.
For some times now, security has been our problem. We've been having problem with insecurity. So we urge the governor to help us in containing the rampage of kidnapping and Sheila boys.
The governor, who is in his second term in office, has assured Adamawa residents he will do more. At this dinner with media practitioners in the state, Governor Fintiri acknowledges that there was still a lot more to be done. The governor, who was represented by his chief of staff, Dr. Edgar Amos, said the state government will reintroduce a monthly sanitation exercise to improve the health care of the people.
Again, we've constructed cottage hospitals, schools all across the state. There are concerted efforts now to construct a befitting stadium for the state by the grace of God within the tenure of this administration.
Earlier in his welcome remarks, Governor Fintiri's chief press secretary, Kumwashi Wonoshiko, said the dinner was organized to appreciate journalists for their coverage of the government activities.
Tonight, we are gathered to wine and to dine. We are gathered because His Excellency recognizes the importance of men of the pen profession. We are gathered to show appreciation to these people who, in the last 4 years of the first tenure of the administration, have done extremely well.
Meanwhile, the State Executive Council has approved the construction of a third flyover to be located at Mubi Roundabout in Jimeta and a highway from FGGC to Barracks Junction Road.